Bubble Analytics Trade Analysis turns your trading history into a detailed assessment of your performance, risk, and account resilience, identifying strengths, weaknesses, and where improvements could be made. Start by uploading a CSV containing your completed trades. We'll check the structure of your file before any analysis takes place. If your file contains trades across multiple assets, select Various. If you've traded a single asset, select one symbol and enter the symbol you've traded. Next, enter your starting capital. Remember to be honest here. An inaccurate figure can overstate or understate your returns and risk. Then select the currency your trading account is denominated in. Tell us whether broker leverage has been available on the account. Be honest here too. This affects your margin capacity and potential limit breaches when we model your account risk. Finally, tell us whether your trading is long, short, or includes both. Click Check CSV and we'll evaluate your data and tell you exactly how many valid trades can be analysed. Each valid trade needs, at minimum, an entry and exit time and an entry and exit price. If anything needs changing, you can go back and update your file or account details. When you're happy with everything, continue to our secure checkout powered by Stripe and complete your payment. Once complete, your analysis appears under Reports in your account. You can download the analysed CSV and open your full PDF report. Both files are also emailed directly to you. Your report begins with the details of the analysis, including who it was generated for, the asset you've traded, and the benchmark we've used for comparison. You'll then see your core trading metrics, including win rate, total return, and maximum drawdown, alongside the key risk metrics we use to assess not just how much you've made, but the risk you've taken to achieve it. Your equity curve shows how the account developed over time, while our Monte Carlo simulation tests 100 alternative trade sequences to expose the range of outcomes your trading could have produced. We then break your performance down by month and year. This can uncover seasonal patterns. For example, our Apple strategy tends to underperform in January and February, following a blowout December. Next, we analyse performance by day of the week, highlighting where you might consider increasing or decreasing risk based on your historical performance. We also analyse win rate by entry hour, revealing whether the timing of your trades is affecting your results. Streak and drawdown analysis shows your longest runs of profitable and unprofitable trades. Your drawdown profile then identifies the largest and average drawdowns you've experienced, how frequently they occur, and how long they typically take to recover from. Capital exposure and resilience looks at the risk your trading places on the account itself. We calculate annualized volatility and the ULSA index, estimate the probability of experiencing 20, 30, and 50% drawdowns, and resample your trades 10,000 times to estimate the risk of economic ruin. We also identify how frequently your trading relies on leverage, risking more than your account balance, before assigning an overall leverage rating. Finally, we bring everything together into a score out of 100. Return quality measures your performance and efficiency. Risk control assesses drawdowns and downside risk. Consistency examines how reliably those results have been produced, while trade quality evaluates the characteristics of the trades themselves. Dataset confidence then considers whether there's enough reliable data behind those conclusions. Together, these 5 areas show what's driving your score and where you can focus to improve it, because understanding how you made your return is just as important as knowing how much you made.